Hi everyone, welcome to Fante Phrasal. I am Apia Mensah. In today's Fante lesson, I bring you some selected Fante phrases with sentences. Listen and repeat after me. Bombarding, bombarding, and bombarding is to try in English. A sentence with bombarding. Bombarding mamansanka misikanonde. Bombarding mamansanka misikanonde. Shinkran, shinkran. And this is to encourage in English. Yeshe nunkrande onyedza obotum. Yeshe nunkrande onyedza obotum. The next phrase is orokodo. Orokodo. If you have been paying attention to this Ghanaian musician, Kofi Kinata, he usually makes this phrase out and says orokodo. And the meaning of orokodo in English is it's in action or in session.
Dwumezi no rokodo nti yentume mfi ho ntem. Dwumezi no rokodo nti yentume mfi ho ntem.
Dikan, and dikan is to take the lead. A sentence with dikan. Dikan yabebechiri. Dikan yabebechiri. Bompa, to pray. Mo bompa de nyankopon mbom mamuntum hwe busuano. Mo bompa de nyankopon mbom mamuntum hwe busuano. Wiensa, or you can say insari. Insa is alcohol and re is to chew, but we don't chew alcohol. So literal meaning of this phrase is to chew alcohol, but it actually means to excessively indulge in alcohol drinking. A sentence for you. Ni mpedua se onam ninsa winunti. Ni mpedua se onam ninsa winunti. The next Fante phrase is aji egwa. Aji egwa. Now the literal meaning of this phrase is to collect a chair. To collect a chair. Aji means to collect. Egwa is a chair. So this is more or less like an idiomatic expression, okay? Some phrasal verbs are idiomatic by nature. And this phrase means a permanent stay of something or someone. So you see why we have the name Aji Igwa. That thing has collected a chair and is sitting down permanently, not thinking of leaving, right? Now let's have a sentence for this. Mitsri yerbei riyaji igwa. Mitsri yerbei riyaji igwa. Tuanamon. And this phrase means to take action, to do something, or to take a measure. Okay? Now a sentence for you. Osede abanu tanamon dzukun dami yerba boni. Osede abanu tanamon dzukun dami yerba boni. The next phrasal verb is menyitua. Menyitua. Literally, menyi is my eye and tua is a gaze at. Now this means to be aware of. So if you have your eyes gazing at something, it means you are well informed or well aware of that action or incident. Now a sentence for you. Za osi biara menyitua. Dza osi biara menyitua. So we continue with the very last phrasal verb for today's lesson. But please, before we go to the last phrasal verb for today's lesson, kindly subscribe to the channel if you find this video to be educative and helpful. And remember to share the video. Don't forget to submit to us your comment also. Now we move into the last phrasal verb for today. Now the last phrasal verb is zidase. Zidase. Literally, this phrasal verb, zi is to eat, dase is witness. So putting it together, we have to eat witness. But the actual meaning of this phrasal verb is to bear witness. To bear witness. Now a sentence on this. Mi zidase wadza osi ndeda no ho. Mi zidase wadza osi ndeda no ho. All right, thank you for being part of this awesome family as we keep learning this dialect, Fante. It's always a pleasure to have you here as we keep learning this language. And please let us know your thought on today's video by submitting through your comments. Now, before we leave, I'm saying it again. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe to the channel. Do well to press the notification bell and share the video, okay? Like as well. Now, until I meet you again here as we continue learning this lovely language, the name is always Mr. Apiamensa. You can call me Ochechrenyi Apiamensa. See you once again here on this channel. Bye-bye.